Unraveling Thoughts, the art of mulling things over. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that pops up in conversations, stories, and even in our own thoughts. Mulling things over. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also offer insight into the process of reflective thinking. Let's embark on this linguistic exploration together and discover what it truly means to mull things over. When we talk about mulling things over, we're referring to the process of thinking something through very carefully. It involves taking the time to consider all aspects of a situation or problem, weighing the pros and cons, and reflecting on the possible outcomes. This phrase evokes the image of someone deeply engrossed in thought, perhaps pacing back and forth or staring off into space, as they turn a thought over and over in their mind. The verb, to mull, originally means to heat, sweeten, and spice something, especially wine. Over time, it took on a metaphorical meaning in language, referring to the warming up and spicing up of ideas in one's mind. Just as mulled wine requires time to absorb the flavors of the spices, mulling things over implies allowing ideas and thoughts to simmer in your mind until you reach a deeper understanding or decision. To integrate this phrase into your vocabulary, let's look at a few examples. I need to mull things over before I can make a decision about the job offer. She's been mulling over the idea of starting her own business for months. After our conversation, I spent the evening mulling things over and decided to apologize. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the act of thoughtful consideration. Mulling things over is not just a phrase, it's a valuable skill in decision-making. It encourages us to pause and reflect rather than making hasty decisions. By taking the time to ponder our options, we often come to more thoughtful, informed, and satisfying conclusions. This process can lead to better personal and professional outcomes, as it allows for a deeper understanding of the complexities involved in any decision. We hope this exploration of mulling things over has illuminated the beauty and depth of this phrase for you. Remember, the next time you're faced with a decision or a complex thought, taking the time to mull things over can be your pathway to clarity and insight. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to mulling over more fascinating aspects of the English language with you in future videos. Happy learning!